Hello and welcome you all. In the last video, we have solved one graphical question based on simultaneous linear equation in two variable. Now, in this video, we will learn algebraic methods of solving pair of linear equations in two variable. So student, there are basically three methods to solve any pair of linear equations in two variable. First method is elimination method. Second method is substitution method. Third method is cross multiplication method. So today we will be learning what is elimination method and what is substitution method. So our first topic for today is elimination method. Let's say I take two pairs of linear equations which are 3x plus 2y equal to 11 and 2x plus 3y equal to 4. Now, in this elimination method, basically we have to eliminate one variable and it is our choice which variable we have to eliminate. So, in this question, I am eliminating y. Since I have to eliminate y variable, so in first equation, I am multiplying it by 3 and second equation, I am multiplying it by 2. Why? Because to make the coefficient of y same. Therefore, we get 3 into 3, 9x, 3 into 2, 6y, plus 11 3s are 33. And from second linear equation, we get 2 into 2, 4x, plus 6y equal to 8. Now, student, sign will change. So, positive become negative and negative become positive. Now, 6y minus 6y will cancel out and 9 minus 4 is 5x equal to 33 minus 8, which is 25. So, x equal to 5. Now, if x is 5, now on putting this value of x in any one linear equation, and it is your choice where you have to put this value of x. So, let's say I am putting this value of x in equation number I. So from here we get 2y is equal to minus 4. So y is equal to minus of 2. Now our second question is solve for x and y. 5 upon x plus y minus 2 upon x minus y equal to minus 1 and 15 upon x plus y plus 7 upon x minus y equal to 10. Now in this question, since we know that this x plus y and x minus y is same for both the linear equation in two variable. So let's say 1 upon x plus y equal to p and 1 upon x minus y equal to q. So from here, I can write our first linear equation that 5p minus 2q equal to minus of 1 and 15p plus 7q equal to 10. Now again, we have to eliminate one variable. So here I am eliminating p. So by multiplying first linear equation by 3, we get 5 into 3, 15p minus 6q equal to minus of 3. And second equation remains as it is. Now again, student, sign will change. So 15p and 15p will cancel out. Minus 6 minus 7 is minus 13q equal to minus of 13. So q is equal to 1. So on substituting the value of q in any one of the linear equation, we get p is equal to 1 by 5. Since earlier I have supposed that 1 upon x plus y equal to p. So if p is 1 upon 5, therefore 1 upon x plus y equal to 1 upon 5. So from here x plus y equal to 5. And similarly 1 upon x minus y equal to 1. So x minus y equal to 1. Now again applying the elimination method. So from here plus 5 and minus 5 will cancel out. So we will add both sides. So we get 2x equal to 6. Therefore x equal to 3, and when x is 3, on substituting x equal to 3 any one of the linear equation, we get 5 minus 3, which is equal to 2. So y is equal to 2. Now our third question for today is solve 37x plus 41y equal to 70 and 41x plus 37y equal to 86. So in this question, we will not eliminate any variable as our calculation becomes complex. So we will be following different approach. Student, when we add both the linear equation in two variable both sides, we get 78 x plus 78y equal to 156. Now, if we take 78 as common from here, we get x plus y equal to 156 upon 78, which is 2. So x plus y equal to 2. Now we will subtract 2 from 1. So we get 41 minus 37x means we get 4x minus 4y equal to 16. And from here 4 is taken as common. So x minus y equal to 4. Now x plus y equal to 2 and x minus y equal to 4. We will solve this two equations by elimination method. So on adding both the equation, y and y will cancel out and 2x equal to 6. So therefore x equal to 3. And if x is 3, then y will equals to 2 minus 3, which is minus 1. So y is equal to minus of 1. Now student, our second method for today is method of substitution. Let's say I take a pair of linear equations into variable which are 3x minus 5y equal to minus 1 and x minus y equal to minus 1. Now as this method is based on substitution, so from second equation, what is the value of x? When we substitute this value of y, which is x plus 1, in first equation, we get 3x minus 5 and y will replace by x plus 1. So on solving it, we get minus 2x equal to 4. So x equal to minus 2. And when x equal to minus 2, therefore y will be equals to minus 2 plus 1 means minus of 1. So this is our elimination method. Now our second question, which is based on method of substitution, which is solve 2x upon a plus y upon b equal to 2 and x upon a minus y upon b equal to 4. So student, from 1, I can write y upon b equal to 2 minus 2x upon a. So from here, y is equal to b and in bracket 2 minus 2x upon a. So from second, when we substitute this value of y in second, we get x upon a minus 1 upon b and this y will be replaced by b into 2 minus 2x upon a equal to 4. So On solving it, b and b will cancel out and x upon a minus 2 plus 2x upon a equal to 4. So from here 3x equal to 6a, so x equal to 2a. Now on putting this value of x equal to 2a in equation first, we get 2 upon a, and in place of x I can write 2a plus y upon b equal to 2. So from here y upon b is equal to minus 2, so y is equal to minus of 2b. Now student, this is your another assignment. Practice this question and submit me the solution today. Question is, we have to draw the graph of 2x plus y equal to 6 and 2x minus 5 plus 2 equal to 0 and shade the region bounded by these lines and x-axis. Also, we have to find the area of the shaded region.